So I figured for the new year, I try a new look. I'm going to cut bangs. So I've been watching a lot of YouTube tutorials before I decide to do this, and I think I'm capable of doing it. I mean, if I F it up, it's my fault. It's my own hair. I'm gonna have to struggle and figure it out. I'm going with the light fringe because I have oily skin, and apparently if it's too thick, you start to break out, and I really don't want to. I don't feel like breaking out. So So I'm just gonna start. How they taught in YouTube tutorials is to find how far you want to part your hair, and I'm pretty sure I already pre-parted it. No, literally my hair is so thin it just parts itself out. So I think I'm only going to do it this far, and I will give credit if this goes well. So you should have like a little triangle. Now I know everybody's been doing bangs and I've been contemplating doing it, but you know what? I don't care if everyone's been doing bangs. They want to try a new look too. Why can't I, right? I just want to make sure I'm actually doing a perfect triangle because my hair is weird. Yeah. Oh guys, I can already see it coming. Guys, I'm so scared. So it's just going to be thin bangs like this, and I'm going to have to comb it a lot for it to not separate so much in the center. Okay, so I'm just going to start with the centers. I'm going to split my hair in threes. I remember watching her do this. She also says not to cut too far, too high up, because then you're screwed if it's too short, because they can't get any longer. So, okay, 1, 2. I didn't even wait for 3. Oh, okay, I did it. Oh, it doesn't look that bad. So this is what I have so far. Oh my god, my hair feels so light. We're going to cut again until like I'm in the center of my eyes. Ooh. Okay, that's 2 on a slant. Shit, talkie. Okay, so it's not too bad. I need to continuously comb it because it's not. Oh, now it's gonna curl. Frig my life. I'm on my own at this point. Oh! Shit. Talking. Okay, not too bad. So now I gotta add these puppies, and from there it looks like it's about that length. Okay. Shoot, I'm doing this. Wow! I actually love, except I can't freaking see. Okay, so far I have all this. Oh, that's super short. No! Oh, okay. I'm dying. Okay, you're fine. This is what I'll do. Take nice and... Right, because the whole thing is I don't want this super thick. This is why you don't leave me at home. Oh. Okay, so I probably effed up my hair by now. So now I'm just gonna keep brushing it out. Oh no, it's not looking even anymore. Shoot. Okay, we can fix this. Oh god, I'm so scared. I can't believe I just did that. Oh my god. I'm not gonna be able to put my hair in braids anymore. And it's just not. Okay, before I cut it, I need to see why this isn't going this way. Literally, my sister's spending the weekend with me, and she's gonna come back to my house to find that I have bangs all of a sudden. She literally can't leave me alone for a few hours because this is what I do. Last time I chopped off my own hair. Okay, I'm gonna try angling it. Oh, frick. Like, can I really angle something anymore when I frigged it up already? I can't see, so I'm gonna have to, again, part it on the side. It's just these ones I cannot see. Oh god, I have to commit to these now. I do recall seeing her do this. What does it do? Couldn't tell you. Probably why I don't do hair. I still can't see. Are these particularly thick? Okay, I need to get my straightener. Well, that's lovely when you part your hair, but it does not work. Too late, you chopped it already. Okay, these hairs are what comes out naturally anyway, so these do not touch. Tatiana, do not touch. Okay, I want it right here. Oh, jeez. That's a clip. Okay. Again, I'm probably Shit, I really need to lower this heat because I'm gonna burn my forehead. Okay, you're doing great, Tatiana. You're doing freaking fantastic. Okay, all right. Because my hair's a little wet, I'm gonna start smoking. I don't even know how to maintain bangs, to be honest. Like, how do you even straighten them? I have to part them. Oh no. Okay. We can do this. We can do this. Okay. We're getting somewhere. It'd be wonderful to have a ruler at this moment, but I'm just gonna... Okay, like it doesn't look that bad at this moment. I mean, I can't go back, so I can't really like... It's 2018, new year, new me, right? New look. So these are gonna be something lovely to wake up to do every morning. Okay, I think we're almost above the eye. That was my nose and my mouth. Okay. Okay. This is why I should not be home alone and should not be trusted. But you know what? I just saved myself some money. Yeah, this is not working. I feel like everything is in my eye and I don't know how to fix it. But from what I'm seeing, it doesn't look too bad. And yeah, so this is how I'm gonna leave it. If I feel like if it's too much in my eye, I will probably get somebody else to cut it because I cannot. I really want like the see-through one bangs, but instead I gave myself a full-on fringe. I can wear my hair up like this, or I can wear, oh, let's do my ponytail. Oh, this actually doesn't look too bad. This is the finishing look. Would I recommend better hair scissors? But other than that, save your guys some money in 2018. Okay, we're done. I can't keep cutting.